How to promote Teespring products for free. So go ahead and open your browser in your desktop, type in teespring.com and click on Start Creating on the upper right corner of the screen. Do this if you don't have an account yet, since this will bring you to the sign up page. But if you already have an account, just tap on Login and just click on your account. Once you're in this homepage, the first thing that we need to do is to go list products. So go over the left panel on your screen. These menu will then show, and from here just tap on listings. Now to create an item to sell, click on start listing. And now what we want to do is go to the places where people look for designs or product to buy. So one of the best platforms would be the Pinterest. This would help us know what is trending, and this would help us find stuff where we can get inspiration for our own products. So go to pinterest.com and log in if you already have an account, or just sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you are in the home feed of the Pinterest, search for the design of the product that you want to sell. So for example, I will type in t-shirt design, but you can also type in whatever you want. It could be jackets, headbands, mugs, tumblers, and a lot more. Here we have a lot of images to choose from, and from here we can get inspiration. So just choose something that you would personally pay for. In that way, you already know that your product will be worth it, and people would actually buy your product. So for example, I like the typography of this one. So what we need to do is to make a design inspired from this. Take note that inspired only, and make sure not to completely copy the design. Just make a design something like this one. And to do that, we would need the help of other layouting platforms so that we can design our own product. One site that you can try is tayasui.com. In here, you can sketch everything you want for free. So if you're a great drawer, especially in manual drawing, this would be a great tool for you. But if you're not that creative and talented in manual drawing, we can use a more simpler choice, and that is canva.com. Now, Canva is a site where you can design everything, and it also provides templates, which means we will not work from scratch. So click on Create Design. It's on the upper left corner of the screen. Go to 2000 by 2000 pixels. And here, and now that we know what style that we want, we will just go from there. So simple and clean typography with minimalist elements around. Go to Elements. It's here on the left side of the screen. And in the search bar, just type in what vector art or clip art you're looking for. It could be anything. So I will type in for this example, and you can use every result in this panel as long as it's not premium. Now after choosing this one, I'll just position it in the canvas, and next I'll go to the text to design the words. Now you can utilize available tools in here just to make your design better. So you can change its size, its color, the shadow, its effects, and anything. So after editing, just make sure to download your design. And now we will go back to Teespring. In here, choose a product. So in my case, I need to tap on t-shirt. But there's a lot of available templates in here for caps, hoodies, jackets, and many more. Once you're in this page, click on Add Image. Choose the file of our design that we did a while ago. And as you can see, it will be designed on top of the shirt. Below that, you can see that we can choose 5 different variation of colors. So just choose 5 that you want. Also, you could position and change the size of our layout on top of the t-shirt. So next would be the pricing. So just assign that to whatever you want and whatever you need, and what you think the worth of your design is. And lastly, for the advanced, you can choose what color will be displayed on the consumer's feed, whenever they're looking for something to buy and they see your product. After that, click on continue and we will then be directed to the styles page. In here, other products with your design will be displayed. So just scroll down in here and click on add if you wish to sell that product as well. So just click on this plus icon on top of that product. Note that you can only choose up to 15 products with the same design. After that, click on continue again and now provide a title and description for the item. Once you're done, just click on launch listing and your listing will now be published. Now, promoting Teespring products for free can be a great way to reach a wider audience without spending any money on advertising. And we can do this by utilizing social media platforms such as Pinterest. So tap on view listing and here you will see your product. Right click on that image and save that photo on your computer. After that, go to Pinterest, click on create pin. It's on the upper left panel of the screen and we will upload the image that we downloaded from Teespring and type in its title. Here you need to type in the description. So if this is too much work for you and you don't want to compose your own description, you can actually ask ChatGPT to make a description for your product. So make a new tab and type in chatgpt.com. And for example, make a description for a typography t-shirt digital design. Once it generates, you can just copy it and paste it on Pinterest. And here on the last box, the destination link, what we need to do is copy the link from Teespring. So go back to the site, copy the link, and paste it to Pinterest. Once you're done editing its title, description, image, and destination link, just click on publish. After utilizing Pinterest, you can also use Facebook to share your product. So go to Facebook, write a post on your feed, so maybe something like sharing this Teespring product of mine, or you can even post on groups to promote your own product. You can also use other social media platforms such as Instagram to post or to go to story, and you can also use Twitter to share and sell your product. So that is how to promote your Teespring products for free. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.